Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. RRRLF is a central autonomous organization established and fully financed by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. RRRLF is registered under the West Bengal Societies Registration Act 1961. It is the nodal agency of the Government of India to support public library services and systems and promote public library movement in the country commensurate with the objectives as embodied in its Memorandum of Association. The supreme policy-making body of RRRLF is called the Foundation. It consists of 22 members nominated by the Government of India from amongst eminent educationists, librarians, administrators and senior officials. The Minister of the Department of Culture, Government of India or his nominee is the chairman of RRRLF. Shri Kanchan Gupta is the present chairman of RRRLF. The foundation works in close association and active cooperation with different state governments and union territory administrations through a machinery called State Library Planning Committee, set up in each state at the instant of the foundation. To participate in foundation's programs, a state government or union territory is required to contribute a certain amount fixed by the foundation. Since 2005-06, the foundation has also taken up the initiative to develop the District Youth Resource Center in collaboration with Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangadana, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. History. The year 1972 is a significant year in the history of library movement in India. The country was celebrating the silver jubilee of its independence. It was the bicentenary year of birth of Rajaram Mohan Roy, a pioneer social reformer who had stressed the need for modern education for the progress of the nation. The year was also being celebrated as an international book year with the slogan Books for All. Emphasis was laid on promotion of reading habit among the masses for betterment of their lives. It was in this auspicious year that Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundation was established in May 1972 by the Department of Culture, Government of India to spread library services all over the country in cooperation with state governments, union territory administrations and organizations working in the field. Objectives: to promote library movement in the country, to enunciate a national library policy and to help build up a national library system, to provide financial and technical assistance to libraries, to provide financial assistance to organizations, regional or national, engaged in the promotion of library development, to publish appropriate literature and to act as a clearinghouse of ideas and information on library development in India and abroad, to promote research in problems of library development, to advise the government on all matters pertaining to the library development in the country. Presence: North East Zonal Office, District Library, Guwahati, Annex Building. Eastern Zonal Office, Salt Lake City, Kolkata. Northern Zonal Office, Chittaranjan Park, New Delhi. Southern Zonal Office, Devanaya Pavaner, District Central Library Building, Chennai. Western Zonal Office, Directorate of Libraries, Town Hall, Bhagat Singh Marg, Mumbai. Chairman, Shri Kanchan Gupta. Director General, Professor Ajay Pratap Singh. Here we can see the organization structure. At the top level, Chairman, under that Director General, then Deputy Director, System Manager, Assistant Director, Section Officer, Programmer, Statistical Officer, Assistant Library Information Officer, Section Officer and Accounts Officer. RRRLF assistant programs. 1. Matching scheme. 2. Non-matching scheme. 1. Matching scheme. 1A. Assistance towards building up of adequate stock of books and reading materials. 2. Assistance towards development of rural book deposit centers and mobile library services. 3. Assistance towards organization of seminars, workshops, training courses, book exhibitions and library awareness programs. 4. Assistance towards purchase of library furniture, storage materials and other items for providing facility to readers. 5. Assistance to public libraries towards increasing accommodation. 6. Assistance to public libraries for modernization of library services. And 7. Assistance towards creation of facilities for Divyangjan readers. Assistance under these schemes, that is 2 to 7, are rendered as following from the resource shared on matching basis with the states or union territory administration. Here the earlier being foundation share. For developed states, 50:50. For developing and lagging states, 60:40. For northeastern states, 90:10. 2. Non-matching scheme. 1. Assistance towards building up of adequate stock of books through central selection. 2. Assistance to voluntary organizations, that is NGOs, providing public library services. 3. Assistance for development of RRRLF Knowledge Corner in public libraries. 4. Assistance to public libraries towards celebration of 50, 60, 75, 100, 125, 150 years and the like. 5. Assistance for organization of national level seminar, workshop, training and awareness program. 6. Assistance towards collection and compilation of library statistics through official and non-official agencies. 7. Assistance to centrally sponsored libraries. 8. Assistance for Children Library and establishment of RRRLF Children Corner. Promotional activities. RRRLF has undertaken several promotional activities for qualitative improvement of library services. Besides organization of many seminars and conferences, it has played a major role in the preparation of national policy on library and information system. It has also issued guidelines on public library systems and services. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Memorial Lecture by a scholar of eminence is an annual feature of anniversary celebration for the foundation. RRRLF also interacts with many national and international professional associations like IFLA, ILA, ASLIC and different state level library associations. To disseminate innovative new concepts and ideas for the development of public library services and system in the country through research-oriented activities, the foundation introduced annual Raja Ram Mohan Roy Award to the best contributor of an article covering the area of development of public library system and services or suggesting measure for promotion of reading habit. The foundation has also undertaken a program of giving 7 awards annually, 1 for the best state central library and 6 for the best district libraries of 6 regions in the country. Since 2005, the foundation also instituted RRRLF Best Rural Library Awards, 1 per each state. The foundation institutes RRRLF Fellowship to offer fellowship to 5 eminent men and women in the field of library services who have contributed to the library movement in the country through active involvement in the movement, organizational initiative or intellectual leadership, or are dedicated to the propagation of reading habit among the masses. Publications. E-publication, Targo Bibliography. Print publications, books for the millions at their doorsteps, A Decade of the Foundation, National Policy on Library and Information Systems and Services for India, Perspectives and Projections, Indian Libraries, Trends and Perspectives, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and the New Learning, 2 Decades of the Foundation, 1972 to 92, Granthana, Indian Journal of Library Studies, annual reports and newsletter.